Here's a chair that will adapt to the age of your child. Today, I'll show you how to assemble it. Here are the parts of the set. Front legs, Allen key, 4 nuts, 4 short bolts, 4 medium bolts, 4 long screws, footrest, rear legs, backrest, seat. The high chair with accessories version also includes guardrail with safety harness, seat cushion, silicone mat, tray, and the Kami bouncer version additionally comes with bouncer body, bouncer legs, bouncer base, 2 screws, toy bar, toys. Start the assembly by laying the front leg so that the smooth part is visible. Insert the nuts into these holes. Slide the front leg into the holes of the rear legs and screw together with 2 medium bolts. Mount the other leg in the same way. The structure should be stable. Then, assemble the footrest. Slide it into these guides between the chair legs. Put it in the desired position and screw it in place with the longest screws. Next, unfold the bouncer adapters out to the sides until they click, turn the bouncer over, and place it on the chair at these points. Fit the toy bar on this side of the bouncer, and place the toys on it. To take the bouncer off, pull the lever up on these points on both sides. You can also use this bouncer in a lower version. Start by connecting the legs to the base. Insert them into the holes with the inner side facing in. Then, insert the screws into these holes and screw them in place. Correctly fitted legs will not twist. Next, place the body on the legs until it clicks into place. First, assemble the seat. Remember that you can store the Allen key in the holder under the seat. Slide the seat into these guides and set it in the first position. Tighten with screws. Next is the backrest. Insert it into these holes in the upper part of the legs. Secure with You can also put the cushion on the seat. Affix it with the hook and loop fastener. Voila! To fit the guard rail with the safety harness, insert these elements into the holes in the backrest, and then into the hole in the seat. Check if the guard rail is correctly fitted. The chair can now be used at a large table. Remember to adjust the safety harness to the height of your child. Mount the tray, insert these ends here from above, and then press it down so that it rests against the guard rail. Place the mat from the set on the tray. After removing the tray and the guard rail, you'll end up with a chair suitable for an older child. Remove the tray using the button underneath. Press it and at the same time pull the tray upwards and towards you. To remove the guard rail with the safety harness, press this button and then pull the rail upwards, disconnecting it from the seat and backrest. Also remove the cushion. Now, I'll show you how the chair is adjusted. You can adjust the seat to one of 3 depths. Do this using these screws. Then, choose one of the 4 seat heights. The footrest can also be adjusted to suit your child's height. Remember to tighten the screws bolts after each adjustment. When your child no longer needs it, you can take it off. The chair, safety harness, and bouncer frame can be cleaned with a damp cloth. The seat cushion, toys, and the cover of the bouncer can be washed by hand. To remove the cover, undo the hook and loop fastener under the seat and also open the zip. The mat can be cleaned with a mild detergent. It can also be washed in the dishwasher. That's all you need to know about this chair. Enjoy!
Kinderkraft. Easy with kids.